What if I told you there's a free tool probably already set up in your business that most owners ignore? By using it, it takes minutes a week and can directly lead to more paying customers finding you online. Stick around because it's simpler than you think. If we haven't met before, I'm Brandon Hurst and I set up online systems that help businesses get more customers and increase their profits. So, that free tool, it's your Google Business Profile. Many business owners set it up and then leave it. They forget about it. But here's the thing, just having a profile isn't enough. An inactive profile tells potential customers very little. We're going to fix that today quickly and easily. Now, I know what you're thinking. It's another thing that you have to manage online, but don't worry, this is different. Just think about it. When people search for businesses like yours locally, where do they look first? I'm guessing you mentioned Google. And did you know that your Google Business Profile often shows up before they even click to your website? And the crazy thing is, many business owners treat their profile like it's a digital phone book entry. Set it up and forget it. They don't realize that Google rewards activity. But when you start posting updates regularly, even small one, Google notices. It sees that your business is active, engaged, and relevant. This helps you rank higher in local searches, meaning more eyes on you instead of your competitors. So as a business owner, what should you do? You should treat your Google Business Profile like it's your digital storefront window. Keep it fresh, updated, and interesting. It shows your customers that you are open, active, and ready for business. And it builds trust before they even speak to you. Seriously, an active profile is like keeping your shop clean and tidy versus letting dust gather. And which one of those is more inviting to customers? Okay, I can hear you thinking, great, Brandon, another social media platform to feed. Well, that's the problem. We lump Google Business Profiles in with platforms that feel like a time black hole. We think we need complicated strategies or hours of content creation to manage it. But Google Business Profile posts are different. They're designed for quick, simple updates. And you can make these posts faster than making a pot of coffee. I'm talking in 2 to 5 minutes. Grab a photo from your phone, write 1 or 2 sentences, and hit post. Done. It's not about crafting a viral masterpiece. It's about consistent, simple updates. Think quick announcements, a snapshot of your work, a little peek behind the curtain. You're probably thinking, what should I even post? I mean, that's the biggest hurdle, right? The problem is the blank page. What should you actually share? Forget complicated content calendars for this. The key is simple, helpful updates. Here's some quick examples that you could use today to get started. You can use photos and quick descriptions of new products or services. Any special offers or discounts that you're running, a quick behind-the-scenes photo, your team, your workspace, share a snippet of a great customer review. You can use simple before or after photos if that fits your business, update a holiday hours or changes, or a quick tip related to your business that helps customers. So now that we know what to post, let's talk about how often you should post. The problem is being inconsistent or trying to do too much too soon and burning out. You don't need to post multiple times a day. The trick is finding that sustainable rhythm. Just start small. Start with 1 post a week, pick a day, set a reminder, and stick to it for a month. Use one of those easy ideas we just covered. And then once that feels easy, maybe try 2 times a week. A good goal for businesses is 2 to 4 times weekly. But consistency is way more important than frequency. A steady drip of updates keeps your profile fresh and signals Google that you're active. And by doing this consistently, it leads to tangible results. More calls, more website clicks, more direction requests. But how do you make sure your profile is set up right in the first place? I'll cover how you can do that in a minute. But it's your turn right now. Don't just watch this video. Take action. Your challenge today is to log into your Google Business Profile and make 1 simple post using one of the ideas we talked about. It takes less than 5 minutes. So let me know in the comments below. What's the first thing you're going to post about for your business? I'd love to hear your ideas. And hey, if you want more simple tips like this to get your online systems working harder for your business, hit that subscribe button. My goal is to give you simple strategies and systems that are practical steps for growth. Also, if you're wondering if your Google Business Profile is even set up to get these benefits, I offer a completely free 15-minute review. No pressure, just use the link in the description if you're interested. Now remember to use that free tool, your Google Business Profile. Don't let it gather dust. Make sure you're posting regularly to the Google Business Profile because it's free marketing. Keep posts quick and simple, no more than 5 minutes. And consistency always beats complexity.